Hello everyone. Today we will discuss case study based questions from the Maths Standard Sample Paper issued by CBSE. This sample paper consists of 3 case study based questions. So today we will discuss one question and each case study based question is of 4 marks. So the question is, in a class, the teacher asks every student to write an example of AP. Two boys, Aryan and Roshan, writes the progression as -5, -2, 1, 4, so on, and 187, 184, 181, so on, respectively. Now the teacher asks his various students the following question on the progression. Help the students to find answer of the following. Let's first write what all things are given. So there are two boys, one is Aryan and another is Roshan. And the progression for Rn is given as -5, -2, 1, 4 and so on. And for Roshan it's 187, 184, 181 and so on. Now you will see the first progression and second progression both are AP. It is already given in the question. So we know that in AP the first term for Rn's progression we can write down first term A is -5 and the common difference D is -2 minus -5. So we are getting 3. Same for Roshan, progression is given. We can write the first term A, that is 187, and we can find out the common difference D, that is 184 minus 187, that is -3. So now in the question they are asking first part, find the sum of the common difference of two progressions. So sum of the common difference of two progressions, that means if this is D1 and this is D2, so we have to find out D1 plus D2, right? And the value of D1 we have calculated 3 and for D2 it is -3. So sum of progression of both is 0. Okay. Now the second part is find the 34th term of the progression written by Roshan. So this is the progression written by Roshan and we have to find out the 34th term. That means A34 we have to find out, right? So A34 means the value of n is 34. A is already we have written 187. Common difference we have -3. So we know the nth term of an AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. So now let's put the value. So A is here 187 plus n minus 1, n is 34, so it will be 33 and the common difference is -3. So we are getting 187 minus 99. So the answer is 88. That means the 34th term of the progression which is given by Roshan is 88. The third part says find the sum of the first 10 terms of the progression written by Rn, right? So now we have to find the sum of the first 10 terms. So we know that the sum of the first 10 terms or first n terms of an AP is given by Sn, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. And we have to find out the sum of the first n terms of the progression given by Rn, right? So we have value of A as -5, we have value of D as 3. So we will put the value here. N is here 10, n equals to 10. So we will put the value S10 equals to 10 by 2, 2 into -5 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into 3. So when we will solve, we are getting -10 plus 27. So when you will simplify, we are getting 85. That means sum of the first 10 terms of the progression given by Rn is 85. Now third part, second option, it is written that which term of the progression will have the same value. So now they are saying that this is the option wala B part. They are saying that we have the two APs. One AP was given by Rn and another AP was given by Roshan. They are saying that which term of the progression will have the same value. That means for which value of n, both the terms of these two APs will be same. Suppose we are taking for Rn's arithmetic progression, we are taking the term as an and here it is an dash. So we have to find the value of n, a n dash, or we can consider it as n only, because here both the values of a and d are different. So we will find out the nth term for the Rn's progression, we will find out the nth term of Roshan's progression, and we will equate, and then we will find out the value of n. So here a n is, we know the formula, a n is a plus n minus 1 into d. For Rn's progression, value of a is minus 5 and value of d is already we have calculated, that is 3. For Roshan's, a is 187 and d is minus 3. So let's find a n, nth term. So nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d, that is 3, and this is equals to nth term of Roshan's progression, that is a 187 plus n minus 1 into d, that is minus 3. Now let's solve this. So we will get here minus 5 plus 3n minus 3 is equals to 187 minus 3n plus 3, right. So here we have minus 8 plus 3n, and here we have 190 minus 3n. So we will do the transposing method. 3n plus 3n is equals to 190 plus 8. So 6n equals to 198. So we got n equals to 33. So that means they are asking which term of the progression will have the same value. That means 33rd term. That means A33 will have the same value in both the progressions. Thank you.